Hello, it's Filo. Welcome back to my July plan with me. If you missed it, you should start with the first video I posted last week with my monthly setup, so the cover, the monthly calendar, as well as the first weekly for July. In this video, I will be setting up the last 3 weeklies of July. As I'm recording this voiceover, it's only 11 in the morning and already 30 degrees outside, so if my brain is fried and my English is a little worse than usual, if that's even possible, let's say it's because of that. So starting this video with the second weekly of July, I'm using those circles for all the headers of my dailies. And then I'm lettering July in pink and as big as I have space for. As you know, I like to have a theme each month, but I also like to have different weeklies whenever possible, so that I can tell them apart even when thinking about it in my head. Like I don't get confused between weeklies. So this one will be the pink one with the circles for now, because I'll also add doodles. For the lettering, I did a simple gradient and outlined it. And for the headers, I'm writing the first 3 letters of each day in each circle. And yes, I know I made a mistake, but I will correct it right away. For the doodles, in these weeklies, I'm playing around with the main elements I had in my monthly setup, that are the canoe in a puddle, the paddle, the cactus, the teepee, the arrows, what am I forgetting? Oh, the cloud and the moon. And as for the frame, I had vignettes with rounded corners with stitches. I'm making mistakes and correcting them somehow, but I think it's pretty seamless. And then creating a shadow for the lettering with a light warm gray. Then I'm using my stamps for the dates with the same font for each weekly to make it cohesive. I always like to add a mini calendar as a reference, especially if the weekly is in the middle of the month. And then I'm filling all the space with more doodles, with all the elements that are missing for now, so that on each weekly I have all the elements, but with a different configuration. And then using the arrows as a divider, I'm creating a timesheet for work. Finally, I'm creating another section as a future to-do list, and now I can start on coloring. I will link everything down below so you can see the numbers of the brush pens I'm using, as well as the stickers or stamps. I'll also leave my affiliate links and discount codes in case you're interested. On the teepee, I'm creating the same super easy pattern I created in my monthly setup. And finally, I'm creating a weekly to-do list and adding some washi tape just to frame the spread. So when you color on top of a white gel pen, it ends up showing, so I'm correcting it with a piece of paper. And it's good enough for me. And the final touch will be those tropical leaf stickers. For this weekly layout, I decided on daily boxes with plenty of white space around, because it's July, so I might need to add a packing list or anything else. For the headers, I'm using diamonds this time to kind of mimic the pattern on the teepee. And I'm just adding doodles in 2 vignettes on the bottom left and top right corners of the page. This way I'm leaving blank space for whatever I need. I'm coloring everything with those summery colors. For the dailies, I just alternated the colors and then I'm stamping the days and dates. Finally, I'm adding washi tape to frame the spread and fill the blank space. And this way, I'll just have to peel it off if I want to add a packing list or something else. The last vignette is to track my work hours. And finally, I'm adding all the stickers. On with the last weekly. I'm not even bothering with daily boxes. It's the last week of July, so I think that should be pretty relaxing. I'm going for symmetrical dailies and a yellow lettering. I'm adding my work hours tracker and 2 vignettes with doodles. At the bottom, we'll have a border strip with canoes, leading us to August. And now it feels like a coloring book, and it's so satisfying to color. Here I changed my mind about the mini calendar and the work tracker, but now that I think about it, it would have been a lot more useful to have a mini calendar for August. Finally, I'm adding some fun stickers I had around the theme of traveling and all the exotic leaves. So that's it for July. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you're planning for July. I'll see you soon in my next video, and until then, enjoy planning!